Okay, so the step has been done, and that's actually really secure. And then that's the entrance. So actually thinking, would it be worth just replacing that instead, and then cleaning this door up, replace this, and then maybe just keeping this door? Might save a bit of money. And also it's working. The new door here is actually in the other room. It looks really nice. Other room, sorry, front reception room. It's been painted properly. Radiators have come off, so that can be painted, so that the walls can be painted properly. This is the front door, or the second door, and that'll be painted as well. Actually looks really nice. That was on not long ago. These are all the doors, they've been painted. Then the handles will be put back on. And this is the outside. So all that has been replaced, and it looks so much better now. And that's obviously very dry, so that's good. Roof has been done. Actually, let's go through the kitchen. Okay. So the cabinet actually came out really well, as has the worktop. That's a massive relief. Tiles look great, and the new walls actually really show them off. So that's a really big bonus. Yeah, what's in here? I think there's some damp issue. Sorry, that's been sorted. Doesn't look like it's leaking anymore. Painted. All the sockets, covers have been replaced. So the carpet fitters have been measured up and quoted. Floor leveling for the bathroom, because it's all over the place. This is the bathroom, and this is the so got to give Tom and Mina and the team credit. They've used the spray paint this time, but actually did a really good job of it. So that is actually pretty decent. Essentially just use it as a first and second coating, prep the walls properly, and then paint on top after we use the spray paint, and then do the final touch-ups with a brush, and that should make it look a lot better, and obviously clean up the windows as well. Because before, the spray gun would just get everywhere and there's been no definition. Whereas now you can see stuff like that, which you buy afterwards, especially around here. It just looks like a proper house. Been in here? Okay, so this is the second room. It's actually a good size room. And that's not too small, so that should be okay. So there'll be underlay in here. Carpet come down. I think we're ready to go. So I reckon 2 weeks at that. So this is what I mean. So stuff like this, you paint everything, take it off, paint it, replace it with some new ones. So new ones, something like this, and that will look really good. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, it's really good progress. So I'd say 2 weeks. As soon as the carpets come down, we'll start taking the viewings. And then while the viewings take place, we can do the snagging. But I can't imagine this taking too long. Alright, see you.